Good morning, YouTube and Gun Streamer. I have a very special video for you today, coming from a very special location. That's right. We are at Walmart today. I know I did a video yesterday talking about the ammo situation. So let's go check it out and see what we got going on. Yes, today I'm bringing you with me. So this will be fun. Now, what I was told yesterday is that we would not be they would not be selling any more ammunition after these current inventories are done. But they said they had some at the warehouse. After those are done, then that's it. So we're gonna be walking over to the sporting section, hunting and shooting section. That's right, we're going around. This one in my town is actually known for carrying a lot of ammunition and some hunting rifles. So, what we got going on? Hello. I already see some people have already gotten a bunch of 9mm, and that's the kind of stuff I like to use. They do have some, but what you see, that is on rebate. If you get two, you get $5 back. Don't see anything on sale right now. Thought I saw a manager. Oh, excuse me. I wanted to get some ammo, if I could.
Okay.
Thank you.
What you need?
I want some. Definitely want some 9mm. I better get some. I heard we're gonna stop selling ammo here.
Yeah. Well, some. The
Some.
223s, the 5.56s.
Okay, you're gonna stop selling that, but you'll have some shotgun stuff, you think, or?
For a while, anyway. I mean, it hasn't gone there yet. So I don't know how long we'll keep 9. But
Yeah, I already see that's going away a lot. I definitely want some of that Winchester right there. Let me get that one.
how many?
Just one today, and then I think I want some. Let me get some. Oh, let me get. Well, that's Remington 380, huh? 9mm. Oh, I guess she doesn't have that 380 that I want. Oh, wait, there we go. Let me get some of that 380 Remington right there. Actually, let me get that one. I think that's the Full Meadow. Full Meadow. Yeah. I might as well get that too. That's fine. You can grab that and then grab that one for
I don't know
me.
what the other one was you were talking about.
Yeah, that's
You said
fine.
grab that and what else?
Let me see. I think this 100 ml value pack, 150. Yeah, I'm pretty good. That's all I want right now. I got some other stuff. All right, great, thank you.
I'm gonna come back and find it somewhere. That be it?
Actually, yeah. Actually, let me get one more of those. I changed my mind. We'll get one more of those, and then yeah, because I wasn't sure if they were gonna stop some of this stuff. Oh, whoa, what's that? 45 auto. Okay, no, that's the Remington stuff. I thought I was wanting some of that, but no, that's it. I'm good. Thank you. Let me see if they got like anything on sale that I should know about. No, that's the shop sale. Okay. Alright. Hey, thank you so much. So I guess after these are gone, that's it.
Date of birth?
It's 7/11/1985. My ID